Fox Elder County in northern Utah, West Central Ridge County in northern Utah, northwestern Salt Lake County in northern Utah, Davis County in northern Utah, Morgan County in northern Utah, northwestern Utah County in northern Utah, eastern Tualatin County in northern Utah, until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:05 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line heading from near Wellsville to 7 miles east of Great Salt Lake, south of the Causeway to 13 miles west of Skull Valley, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Expect considerable tree damage. 3 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact. Place mobile homes. Morgan, Randolph, Hill Air Force Base, Dugway English Village, West Jordan, Taylorsville, South Jordan, Roy, Clearfield, and Midvale. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 299 and 371. Interstate 84 between mile markers 82 and 113. Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 48 and 127. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across the Wasatch Front and Tuala Valley. Seek shelter now in a severe thunderstorm